Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're gonna figure out a new and better way to display your heart rate on stream. So a couple months ago I made a video about how to cheaply display your heart rate on stream, and this video involved a little device that was relatively cheap, between $20 to $30. And basically you would have it on your finger or on your toes if you need your hands free to play the game. And it worked with a micro USB, with a mini USB cable that was going straight to your computer, and then from there a software would show your heart rate and also your oxygen levels. Now almost immediately after I posted this video, I got a couple of messages from you guys telling me there is a better way that might not be that more expensive, and it consisted on having a Bluetooth USB pen that would connect to another device, another kind of strap that would go around your chest. So you would be hands-free, it would be wireless, and apparently it wasn't that much expensive. So fast forward months later, I put up a donation goal on my stream. Thank you guys so much for completing the donation goal. We actually exploded that donation goal. Special thanks to Witchy Twitchy, because she's the reason why we got to buy this thing. Apparently the program, there's a norm called the N+, which is, I guess, a software to monitor heart rates and all of that. And the devices, the straps, were from a company called Garmin. When I first saw those things, it turns out they were super expensive in the EU. Basically, just the strap was going for about 80 bucks. And the little USB stick was like 50 bucks. I was like, there's no way I'm paying that much for a USB pen and a little strap. But as it turns out, there are some companies that made kind of knockoffs of those USB things, and I got one right here. I just ordered, and those were significantly cheaper. I got this one for, I'm just gonna show it on screen. I think it was about 14 bucks. And then I got the strap for about 25 euros. So I haven't tried it yet. I haven't even unboxed it yet. So we're gonna figure it out together. What the fuck? Ooh. So this is not an original Garmin strap. This is the Cuspo HRM strap. Tracks heart rate in real time. I sure hope it does. So the strap is separated from the little device. It's actually really small. It looks huge on the box, but it's actually quite small. Okay, so this is the actual tracker. So here I can see like two prongs, I guess, the two metal prongs. One says R, the other says L, so I'm guessing that's right and left. And there's the battery case. I wonder if I need to open this or not. Let me just check real quick. So as you can see, it's one of those things where you can open them with a coin. Let me go find a coin. Fuck. Please tell me you come with batteries. Please tell me you come with batteries. Oh yes, it does actually. Okay, so it looks like it already has a battery in it. Open up the manual real quick. Okay, that's in Chinese. That's in English. How to use H6. Wear the heart rate sensor. Moisten the electrode areas of the chest strap. That feels wrong. Attach the connector to the chest strap, mark L towards left. Okay, that's pretty cool. There's like this rubbery surface here, and then it's just normal elastic strap. Oh, so there you have the, it's like a, yeah, those kind of push button things. For good measure. Adjust the strap length to fit tightly but comfortable. Check that the moist electrode areas are firmly against your skin, that the Cuspo logo of the connector is in a central and upright position. Do I need to put this under my shirt, or what's up? This video is getting demonetized. I can sense it. All right, it's on. It's right there. It's pretty tight, but not too uncomfortable, and I guess I could make it a little loose. Okay, step 2, connect the app. Turn on the Bluetooth setting, toggle Bluetooth on position. Don't look for a device or try to pair on this page. Just turn on Bluetooth and go to the app. What app? Oh, there's Cuspo Fitness app. Records and stores your every movement, heart rate. That doesn't sound like actual English, but whatever. Okay, I need to download the Cuspo app. Okay, so I just found an article on Medium that seems to explain a way of doing it, but it still requires to install an app on your phone, which I don't get. So now I'm downloading something called Pulseoyd. It actually asks you for a Twitch channel. That's weird. Okay, so apparently Pulseoyd is a service that allows you to add a widget, a heart rate widget, to your live video. So basically you're gonna be using a browser source link, kind of like you would use, I don't know, donation goals and stuff like that, the jar. Those are all widgets that you can add. And this takes the information from your device and basically displays your heart rate on stream with that. That's pretty cool. What I don't like so far is the fact that using the Bluetooth USB thing is pretty much useless right now, because it's basically taking the info from the app and sending it via the widget. Now what I'm gonna do is try to go ahead and connect to their website on my computer. So as you can see, when you log in, it shows you the dashboard. I actually have my heart rate displayed in real time here. Now the question is how accurate this is and what is the refresh rate? Basically, what's the latency between when your heart reaches a certain BPM and when it actually shows it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and hyperventilate to see how high it goes. Apparently right now it's around 96 to 99. And I'm lightheaded. I'm super lightheaded. Oh my god. Apparently it's super accurate. Oh my god. Way more accurate than the heart rate monitor that we had before. And as you can see, my BPM just drops like that. That's awesome. Okay, now configuration. We need to find where we can find the widget link, pretty much the browser source link. Configuration. Oh, so those are all different widgets that you can get. So let's try this one, configure. Okay, so here's the URL that you can import in your streaming program. So it's gonna work with OBS Studio, XSplit, and OBS Classic, and also probably Streamlabs OBS, which is what we use. You know what? Let's actually try it now. So I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna go in OBS. I know this isn't Streamlabs OBS, but I use this to record. So let's go add, sorry for the inception, browser source. We're gonna call it HR for heart rate. And we're gonna paste it. And we're gonna click OK. And it works. Even already has like the transparent background. Let me go like in full screen. Okay, now let's add it. So I'm gonna go to browser source, and here you have it. That's my heart rate. I'm so chill right now. So let's try hyperventilating again and pray that I don't pass out. And there you go. Oh my god, this is so accurate, it's scary. It should be dropping in a couple seconds. There you go, and it's dropping now because I restabilized my breathing. So you can actually customize all of this, and when you go to config, you have different types. What is this CSGO BPM widget? Let's try this one. Why is it called CSGO? So right now we're gonna paste the CSGO one. Oh. So you can have different fonts. Oh, even changes color when it gets to a certain number, I guess. I love this thing. All right, let's recap. So apparently you don't even need the USB stick thing. It's a Bluetooth that's supposed to communicate from the heart rate monitor to your computer. You might need it if you're using another program, but with this Pulseoyd software solution, you don't need it. All you need is your phone that has Bluetooth capabilities and the app. So basically, your heart rate monitor sends signals to your phone, and your phone sends it through the internet, which is going to appear through your browser source link. So technically, I could have only bought the Cuspo, I hate this name, the Cuspo H6 strap and just the app, and that will cost you $26 only, or 26 euros for a hands-free wireless solution that is more accurate than the other one. I think it's absolutely worth it. Now that Medium article, I will post a link of it in the description below. But for now, that's pretty much all I have to show. I'm glad we got to unbox everything and just figure it out together. But now it's social media time. If you want to shoot me a message, you can do so on Twitter. That's going to be at level_photo. You can also follow my Twitch channel, which means that I will probably have this heart rate monitor all the time, no matter what I'm streaming. You can also follow me on Instagram. That's gonna be at gael.level. And if you're looking for some dope overlays, I urge you to go and visit gumroad.com. I'm currently working on some Halloween themed overlays, so maybe that's gonna be a thing. Maybe not. I don't know how much time I'm gonna have. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Gael Level out.